Do you own a modified car, one as much as a weapon as this M4 beast behind me? If you want to keep it within your possession, it's time you think about getting a Pandora. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max and I'm going to give you a walk through the necessary security system that we've just fitted on Sean's M4. This absolute weapon is a desire to anyone, so why wouldn't a thief want to take it? So it's definitely time to put something on it so that he can keep this within his possession. The product that we've installed in this scenario is the Pandora Smart Pro alarm system. That's an alarm, a tracker, and it's got immobilisers built into it. And it also allows you to remotely shut down the vehicle if this vehicle did ever get stolen or get out of his hands. A fifth great thing about this is that it's got remote start. Remote start is a fantastic feature. A lot of people are calling us up and adding it to their vehicles. We cover most manufacturers of vehicles, so let us know if you want to add it to yours. This M4, to start it, you can use an app on your telephone, on your watch, Siri, or in this case, as I'm going to show you using the factory key, as we have here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And that's going to flash 3 times at us. That's going to start and initiate the remote start process. The vehicle is locked and secure for this situation. No one can just break into it. And there she goes. She starts up, she's all warmed, still locked and secure. No one's going to be heading off it into a rush until you, the owner, arrive back at your car with your Pandora tag. The Pandora tag is the key point of this system, which will allow the system to know that you, the owner, has arrived back. This security tag runs on 128-bit encryption. It can't be cloned, can't be amplified over a distance like how they're stealing the majority of cars these days. And simply without this vehicle is going nowhere. And if this goes missing from the car while it's driving, the car will know and it will cut out. As I said, you've got remote shutdown on this system, so if you had to leave the thief with this, don't worry, as long as you got your phone or another phone for that matter, you can remotely shut down this car. I'm gonna take you inside the vehicle, just give you a little bit of a talk around what else this alarm includes. Welcoming you into the interior of this carbon dripped out M4. Lovely place to be inside here. I'm going to cut to the chase and go straight to the sensors built into this alarm system. So the Pandora has an array of sensors, which will basically, if they get set off, the alarm system will actually call you and tell you your alarm's going off. Within a few seconds, your phone's ringing, telling you what's going on the alarm and why it's going off. What do the sensors include? You've got a dual zone shock sensor. You've got a warn away level. If, I don't know, maybe a football hit the car, not quite life-threatening to the car, that would actually give off a beep beep sound, which will let you know that this car's got something on it, which is more than just an alarm basically, or a flashing LED. The second zone is basically if someone actually, I don't know, reversed the car into this, or there was a bigger impact, that would set the alarm off and actually you would be getting a call. Second sensor is the tilt and motion sensor. So if anyone is actually tilt the vehicle, try lift it up, move it, push it, that will set the alarm off and obviously you would then be notified. Third thing is that you've got an interior scanning sensor. So if anyone gets into the actual interior of this car, no matter what way that they manage to gain access into the interior, that will set the alarm off as well. Also, the alarm is built into all the factory pin switches, so if the bonnet or the doors or the boot open, that too the system will recognize that something's being tampered with. The system has a real nice and easy to use application, which I'm gonna take you through. So I'm just gonna put on screen recording on my phone and then I'm gonna walk you through the application. The application for Pandora is fantastic. This application will allow you to start your car, track it, the info on here to how to remotely shut it down, and it's also going to give you history as well, which is really great for knowing what's happened and what's been going on. This is the main page we're looking at now. From here, the middle button there is the start button, and you've got unlocking and locking control. You do need to have a factory key wired in. It is an optional extra on these systems. The tracking is just at the bottom. So this is a GPS tracking system. You can get live tracking, at least a snail trail. If the vehicle is being stolen, you had to track it so you know what road the vehicle has been down. In the history, which I'm going to move through to, you get journey data. You also get armed and disarmed notifications, and also like if the alarm's been going off, that'll tell you in here what sensor is set it off. So it's really in-depth history, which is fantastic. For example, I just go into here, one of the notifications we should see in a second. It shows us the information on basically the data of the journey which is real nice and easy to see. So if you've had to lend the car out, you'll know exactly what road that car's been down, or if you're having to track the journey of it for whatever reason, you know exactly where the car's been basically. This application is real handy to use, and yeah, it's quite a nice, easy to use application. You can choose a few different skins. We just normally go with this one on here. It's more than functional. That's pretty much about the alarm and the sensors and a brief look at the application. Other things on this alarm system is that it's got dual points of immobilisation, so that's actually what protects the car from being stolen in the first place. As I said at the start of the video, you've got the tag, which basically will allow the car to know that you, the driver. But this system does have a get out of jail card. So if, for example, you lost the tag or you broke the tag, and you know the alarm system's not going to be happy with that, you have a way of actually getting around this system so that you can start the car, drive ideally to your nearest Pandora dealer like us, who will then program you up a new tag to be fitted. Now, these alarm systems, we fit them onto a lot of newer vehicles. Generally, pretty much any manufacturer make Pandora system can be added to, and it's a great alarm with great security. It's one of the strongest products in our range here at John Cleese at the moment. We've got a few on all our demo cars here, so heavily recommend them. We know them fairly inside and out, as you can probably tell. If it's something that you're looking for your car, please do get in contact. I'm pretty much going to wrap this video up here. The only other thing that we've done to this vehicle, we have added a front and rear dash camera system. There's a battery behind the scenes which allow this customer to have decent protection while the car is parked up. That may come in another video in the future. Thanks very much for watching this video, and we will see you soon. Thanks now, take care, and goodbye.